Hi students, welcome to your math lesson of the day. Today we are going to be working on 8.2 and Big Ideas Math. And in 8.1 we were doing mental math to add by tens. Now we're going to do mental math to take away by tens. So we're going to do some warm-up problems and then I want you guys to practice on your own. So for problem 1 we have 50 minus 10. Now I want you guys to be able to be like, okay, I can do this in my head. But we were minusing by 10, so we want to look at the ones place first. So we have 0 and 0. And what's 0? Take away 0. It's going to be 0. And then we look into our tens place. We have 5 and 50 in the tens place, and then we have 1 and 10 in our tens place. And 5 minus 1 is what? So we have 5 fingers, so take away 1, we get 4. So 50 minus 10 is 40. And also, I want you guys to look at the place value, but also you could think of it in a way to count by tens. So if we count by tens, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we have 50 and we take away 50 by tens. What's 50 take away 10? So what if we count it by tens, what's 10 before 50? 30, 40, 50. So you could also think of it that way too if you want to think about it by tens. But 50 minus 10 will be 40. But now let's look at problem 2. So if I was to ask you guys, 31 minus 10 is what? I want to let you guys practice on your own. What do you guys think? 31 minus 10. So if we look in our ones place, we have 1 and 31 and we have 0 and 10. So 1 minus 0 is what? If we take away nothing by something, we would get the same number because 0 has no value. So it will just be 1 in the ones place. And then we move on to our tens place. So we have the 3 and 31 and the 1 and 10. So what is 3 minus 1? So if we have 3 fingers and take away 1, we would get 2. So our answer will be 21. Okay, and then 3. And the last problem I have on the board, question number 3, blank take away 10 is 65. So this is kind of more tricky. So since we have a missing number right here, we know it's going to be bigger than what this answer is, what this difference is, because we took away, right here we used a minus sign. So since we are trying to figure out, okay, what's this missing number here to make this statement true? So blank minus 10 equals 65. So what you guys could do is add 65 to 10. So we were to count by 5s, 55, 65. What would be the next number if we counted by tens? So we add 65 to 10. So we have 0 plus 5, and we know 0 has no value, so 0 plus 5 would be 5 in our ones place. And then what's 6 plus 1? So we have 6 fingers, and then we do plus 1, we would get 7. So we have 75 minus 10 equals 65. Now, is that a true statement? 75 minus 10? It is, because if we add 10 more to 65, we would get 75, and 75 take away 10 would also be 65. So in 8.2, you're going to be focusing on taking away 10 by different numbers, but I want to encourage you guys to use mental math when you're doing these problems. And if you need more help doing anything in 8.1 or 8.2 and Big Ideas, please let me know and I'll be happy to help. Thank you. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.